staying with me. I'ma make you my wifey.
What is slippage?
Fly, fly, fly. Tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love moves like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. Tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super.
Back with another video, back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Today, we're going to talk about slippage. What is slippage? Slippage is basically hair that is a little bit looser at your roots than usual. It's not new growth, because new growth typically just is a little bit, maybe like a half inch, a quarter inch, something like that. But when you have a whole lot of hair at the base of the lock that's loose, then you know that's slippage. Also, slippage can mean that your whole lock just came out, okay? I have slippage in the front of my hair, and I will be putting these locks back in during my next retightening. How does this happen? How does slippage happen? Slippage can happen from you putting water on your locks, with spray bottles, 360 mixed spray bottles. Slippage can also typically happen with more looser textures or curl patterns. Thicker textures like 4C would not have a lot of slippage, but it's not prone to slippage, but it can happen. It's not impossible for it to happen. Slippage typically happen with new locks. Newer locks, baby locks, have more slippage than mature locks. That only happens in the beginning stages, but it can happen in any stage of your lock journey depending on your curl pattern and hair type. Slippage also can happen by using oils and conditioners too soon, and also just using different type of products that you have no business using anyway because you got Sisterlocks. Okay, so make sure you talk to your consultant about new products that you use, any problems that you see with your locks. Make sure you're checking your scalp and your locks daily so you can be aware if you do have slippage. Slippage can be fixed. It's not a problem if you have slippage. Slippage may or may not be a part of your journey, but it's completely okay. It's not something that you should beat yourself up on, but make sure you take these steps to make sure you prevent having slippage. Also talk to your consultant about using water if it's good for your hair type. Talk to your consultant about using any products. If you see somebody else using products, don't just use them just because. Make sure you talk to your consultant or trainee about what you're doing with your hair and your locks. So stay away from conditioners. Stay away from oils. Unless your hair needs oils, if your hair is dry, itchy, and you just can't take it anymore, talk to your consultant first on the best oils that you can use. Some oils can be too thick, like castor oil, sometimes can be too thick and weigh down your locks. You don't want your locks to feel heavy, look greasy, and just be a hot mess, okay? So make sure that I have not used any products in my hair that is including oils, conditioners, but do what's best for you. Make sure that you braid and band. That can help prevent make sure you braid and band. That can help prevent slippage. I don't know who that was. Wear a shower cap during showers and baths, and wear a bonnet at night. If you can't wear a bonnet, honey, make sure you get you a satin pillowcase, because that has been my boo. If you work out a lot, if you're a person that like to work out a lot and to stay fit, you can get slippage with sweating or swimming also. So before you work out, if your hair is long enough, make sure that you put them in braids or twists. And you can also use a Dri-Fit cap. I got my Dri-Fit cap. It's called a Sun Visor Hat. I got that from Walgreens, and it kind of traps all the sweat. After you're done working out, you can clean your scalp with Sea Breeze and use a cool setting on your blow dryer, where you can blow dry your locks and they're not just soaking in sweat. If you go swimming, use a swim cap. And then if the water still gets in there, make sure you use that cool setting on the blow dryer so that your locks are not sitting with water in them. Sweat or water, both can cause slippage. So no slippage, team, no slippage over here. And I hope you're loving your sister locks, and I hope you rocking your locks with your best life. Come back again for another video, because I'll be doing videos every day in April. I hope y'all enjoy my content. If you do, go ahead and subscribe. All right, bye.